welcome to the Pink Agency. My name is Whitney. If you love pink, if you love all things beauty, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you a part of the Pink Agency. Let's not waste more time and let's get started. So of course, we're going to start off with our handy dandy NYX concealer. And then we're going to blend as usual with our Real Technique sponge. So now I'm just going to take the Nude Bliss palette and I'm going to use the tan shade here and just pack that right all over my lids. Next, just take a clean blending brush and blend everything out. I wanted to keep the eyeshadow simple today because I want to focus more on the eyeliner. Now we're going to give our lashes a quick curl. You could really use any gel liner, eyeliner, liquid liner that you like. So when I'm going to do my eyeliner, I always start from the outer corner to the halfway of my eye. I don't bring it all the way in. And of course, whatever you do to one side, you're going to do it to the other. Now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Mechanical Pencil in black to tightline. As usual, using my Brow This Way by Rimmel. I'm going to use this mascara by Maybelline. And for the best part, the lashes. These lashes are in the style Cash by Lily Lashes. And always look down at your mirror when you're going to apply, not up. You got to look down. So it's not a full glam look without some glitter for me, obviously. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the Starlit palette and put on some gold glitter. And with my finger, just blend out that glitter. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Hey beauties, so I'm back. I'm done with the complexion. What do you think? Now I'm gonna take one of my favorite lip products. This is the NYX Smooth Whip. I believe this is in the shade Red Velvet. So yes, everyone, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoy this video. I definitely enjoyed making this video. This look is the look that I go to when I want to feel confident, fierce, sexy, beautiful, all in one. So I hope you are all safe, happy, and healthy, and take care until the next one. Bye.